Welcome back to Silicophilic. Imagine this: every search you have ever made, every video you have ever watched, every random curiosity at 2 am, all written down in a diary, and that diary belongs to Google. Most of us think that clearing browser history wipes the slate clean. But here is the twist: it doesn't. Google remembers. It remembers what you searched in 2020, the videos you watched in 2015, even the shorts you scrolled through last week when you were supposed to be working. Today I will show you how to open that diary, read what's inside, and finally erase it. Not just from your browser but from Google's memory itself. The vault of memories: how Google keeps your past alive. Every search you have made, every video you have watched, Google has quietly written it all down. Clearing your browser doesn't erase this journal because it's tied to your account, not your device. If you have ever wondered where this record lives, let's open the vault together and see. First, head to the vault myactivity.google.com. On your PC, open a browser, type that in, and sign in with your Google account. What you will see is a timeline of your digital life. Google calls it My Activity. It's their way of saying, we keep this to make services more useful for you, but really it's a record of everything you have searched, watched, and clicked. Here you will find these categories: web and app activity, timeline, play history, YouTube history. Each one is a thread in the story of your online life. Click on filter by date and product. Let's click on YouTube history. Select filter by date and a little calendar appears. Pick a year, say 2020. Hit apply. Suddenly every video you watched that year is right there. Old tutorials, random music videos, maybe even that embarrassing clip you thought you had forgotten. Scroll further back: 2015, 2014, and the list keeps going. It doesn't matter if you have changed computers or wiped your browser. This history is tied to your account, not your device. It's like a shadow that follows you everywhere. The practical steps to erase it. Now let's take control. Here is what to do. Click on YouTube history, use the calendar to explore old searches and videos. Then click clear all or delete this result. Choose delete all time. Confirm the previous window. Google will show examples of what's being erased. Click delete. You will see a confirmation message like deletion complete. And just like that, the diary pages are gone, stopping the diary from being written again. But here is the catch: if you don't change the settings, Google will start writing again tomorrow. So go back to activity controls, find auto delete, set it to erase activity older than 3, 18 or 36 months. Or if you want a clean slate, always turn auto delete on for everything. This way, you decide how much of your story Google gets to keep. A reflection on privacy. Think of it like Windows Recall, snapshots of your digital life. Some people like the convenience, recommendations tailored to their habits, videos they might enjoy. Others see it as invasive, a constant reminder that nothing online is truly forgotten. The choice is yours, but now you know how to open the vault, read the diary, and erase the pages. So that's the journey, from discovering Google's hidden diary to erasing it and setting auto delete so it doesn't come back. If you value privacy or just want a fresh start, this is the way to do it. Hit like, share with your friends who need a privacy reset, and subscribe to Silicophilic for more practical guides, where we don't just use technology, we uncover its secrets. See you in the next one.